Wake up, eat junk food, scroll through reels, text random girls on social media, sleep with regret, and repeat. That's how your life is right now. Am I right? You always say why my life is not like the others, while every day you wake up just to waste another day. You say you want to be rich, but you don't want to leave your comfort zone. You say you will start tomorrow, but you never do it. Just look at yourself now. You had dreams. You had potential. You had that power to be the best, but you buried your dreams under your comfort. You have become a burden on your family and society. You sleep while someone else is already living your dream life. You watch dirty stuffs online while someone else is working too hard for his dreams, and the result? You will always stay where you are. The harsh reality. You watch hundreds of self-improvement videos on YouTube which says, you are not lazy, you are just distracted. But deep down the reality is, you are lazy. You spend hours on gaming, social media, watching cheap contents without even realizing that it is destroying your brain. You could have controlled yourself, you could have deleted all the games, reduced social media time, controlled your lust, but you never did because you are lazy. And at the end, what will you get? Nothing. Just pain and regret. So, come on, just go and watch one more reel or text a few more girls on Instagram for fun, because that's what the rich people want you to do. They want you to be lazy, to procrastinate, to waste your life, so that they could win. Social media, games, corn sites, all are made to keep you away from greatness. They really want you to just lay down on your couch comfortably and waste your time and energy so you cannot build the next Facebook, the next Apple, the next Nike, the next Google. They want you to be average, the unkind consequences. And after all these scrolling, gaming, watching cheap contents, wasting every day, what will you get? Tell me, will you be rich? Will you be handsome and muscular? Will you be famous? No. You will just end up regretting every single second of your life. You will live in a tiny house struggling to earn money and wish that you could have worked hard, while someone else will live in a luxury house with a beautiful spouse and a lavish lifestyle. Imagine, you are at the age of 40 and your son says, Dad, can you buy me new shoes? And you will be like, sorry son, I don't have enough money. That will be the most painful moment of your life. Am I right? According to study, on average a person lives for 4,100 weeks. And if you are at the age of 20, then you have already lived 1,040 weeks, which means almost 25% of your life. And you only have the next 20 years to work on yourself, because after the age of 40, you will be so busy in your job, family, and kids, retirement, that you will have no time for yourself. Think about that. The solution and why this channel. So, how do you start? You don't have to worry about it. You are not late. The average age of millionaire is 55 and the average age of billionaire is 65. So never ever think that you are late. So what you have to do, you just have to show up every single day no matter how you feel and how the weather is outside. Success comes to those who never give up. Fix your mindset and maintain discipline every day. You are not disciplined because you don't respect yourself, because discipline is nothing but the highest level of self-respect. And why am I saying this all? Because once I was also at your place, I was lazy. I used to procrastinate. I used to spend hours on mobile watching reels, playing games, and doing nothing. Until I realized that one day, this laziness will cost me everything. My dreams, my ambition, my future, my life. So I decided to change myself. And I created this channel because I know there are many people like me in the world who are wasting their lives, and I want to help them, because I know how it feels to be a failure. And I am glad that I decided to change myself before regretting. And so could you. On this channel, I will teach you how to win in life. No chat GBT scripts, no fancy editings, just raw life-changing hard truths in my own words. Time for Discipline is not just a random self-improvement channel. It's a journey for you to become the best version of yourself. So what will you choose? Your old life, where you are a lazy, ugly boy destroying your dreams? Or a new life, where you will be a highly respected and hardworking man in the next 5 years? So if you are ready for this challenge, then write down your name and I am ready for this challenge in the comments. I will note down every single name and post it on YouTube. First task and free gift. So if you are ready to start, then here is my first task for you. Take out a paper and on the above, write down your dream. Split the paper in two halves. On the left side, write down your weakness like laziness, procrastination, games, comparison, lust, everything. And on the right side, write down your motivation like a big house, a beautiful spouse, cars, money, everything. So whenever you feel demotivated, just look at this paper and you will get instant motivation. And as for your first reward, I am giving you free motivational wallpapers to keep you motivated all the time. Link is given in the video description and channel description, final message and conclusion. If you have come this far, then thank you so much for watching this video. I know you might be lost, scared, alone, but remember, you can do anything if you want. always trust yourself. Time for Discipline is not just a channel, it is a movement. And join me in this movement if you want to change your life, and please like the video so it could reach to more people like you who wants to change their lives. And don't forget to comment down your names. I will see you in the next video. Until then, work hard for your dreams, chase success, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And remember, you have one life, don't waste it.